Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the Trello board you'll use and selecting labels from the board menu. Create a handful of colors and give each a short, consistent name so teammates understand their purpose. Once done, pick a card and press L to open the label picker. Apply or remove a label with a click. Make sure to include at least one label for priority and one for status so your labeling system starts giving immediate organizational value. You now expand usage by applying labels to many cards and refining their meaning. Select several cards and add a label in bulk to save time. This creates consistent categorization. Once labels exist, filter the board to focus on one or more labels and quickly see work streams. Also, set a butler rule to add or remove labels when cards move lists or when checklists complete. These steps reduce manual work and keep labels accurate as tasks progress. You wrap up by documenting the label scheme in a visible card so everyone uses the same conventions. Clarity prevents overlap. Create saved views or searches that highlight label combinations you rely on and schedule a quick review once a month to retire or merge labels. If something goes wrong and labels don't show, first clear any active filters and toggle the label's visibility in the menu. That single troubleshooting step fixes most display or filtering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.